February is American Heart Month and National Snack Food Month. So what better way to celebrate than with some heart-healthy snacks? Registered dietitian Amy Goodson with RDTV is joining us this morning with some satisfying snacks that not only taste good, but they're good for the heart. So good to have you back with us, Amy. So what is a heart-healthy snacking tip we need to keep in mind?
Okay, Susan, one of your heart's favorite things is fiber, and that's found in foods like whole grains, fruits, veggies, beans, nuts, and seeds. But let's face it, at snack time, so many people crave something sweet. So my best advice is to add fiber with fresh fruit. And one of my favorites is Natural Delights Medjool dates. These are a whole, fresh fruit that provides you with natural sweetness. And bonus, the fiber found in dates helps you feel fuller longer after eating. Now, when it comes to snacks, dates are a great addition and they're so easy to incorporate. One of the easiest ways to do that is by stuffing them with a protein like ricotta cheese and then sprinkling them with crushed nuts. You get a little sweet and a little savory, but what's great is that the carbohydrate found in dates helps give you a boost of natural energy. So you have a simple snack that can really help you power through the whole afternoon. And dates are packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals. So they really add a pop of nutrients to any snack, especially a fruit and veggie pizza. Now this is guaranteed to please both the adults and the kids in your family. So when it comes to snacks, look for Natural Delights Medjool dates at Sprouts, Fry's, Albertsons, and online at naturaldelights.com.
I always know when it's afternoon, Amy, because my stomach starts rumbling. I get pretty hungry. What is a really satisfying snack?
So the best combination is a snack that has fiber, protein, and healthy fat. And I have great news. I have one food that gives you all of those nutrients. Wonderful pistachios. So lots of people don't know this. Pistachios are actually one of the highest protein snack nuts. They have 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber in each serving. Plus, 90% of the fat found in pistachios is that better for you monounsaturated fat. So you really get this trio of nutrients that helps you feel fuller longer. And at snack time, I love using wonderful pistachios in energy bites because there's so many different flavor combinations that you can make with different ingredients. So one of my go-tos is starting by pureeing medjool dates with honey and flaxseed. Then stir in oats, wonderful pistachios, coconut, and dark chocolate chips. Roll these into little balls and voila! You have a snack that tastes great and is good for your heart.
And I know I always share with you that I keep my wonderful pistachios in the pantry all the time. I love that saltiness, I love that crunch, but I know there's a lot of sodium in some of the different types of pistachio nuts. What do you suggest? Because sodium isn't always good for the heart.
Girl, I feel you. I think we all need a little bit of crunch at snack time, but you're right. So many Americans need to reduce their sodium or their salt intake. But I have great news because wonderful pistachios actually come in lightly salted and no salt flavors. So you get that satisfying flavor and crunch, but without the extra salt. And these are the perfect addition to a snack board. You can pair them with medjool dates, cheese, colorful veggies, pita bread, and of course some of our energy bites and stuffed dates. So this is a win-win for heart-healthy snacking. And then if you're in a hurry, grab some of the individual bags of wonderful pistachios. You can drop these in your purse, your gym bag, or stuff them in your desk for when you need a healthy snack in a pinch. These are a win-win for heart-healthy snacking.
Everything looks delicious. Can't wait to try some of these recipes myself. Thank you so much, Amy. And if you would like more healthy snacking inspiration, visit Amy's website, amygoodsonrd.com.